This gorilla grabs a woman in the forest, and what happens next will shock you. Part 2. Alice saw the gorilla slowly approaching her. It tore off her shirt, and she began waving her arms and screaming in hopes of scaring it away. However, her screams were drowned out by the strong wind, pouring rain, and the noise of tree branches. The weather worsened, and almost no one could hear her cries for help. Surprisingly, the gorilla just stepped on her shirt a few times, and then led her on. Eventually, the gorilla stopped near a cave and took Alice inside. She curled up in a corner, hoping the gorilla would forget about her presence. Suddenly, she realized that throughout the ordeal, the gorilla had never harmed her. Perhaps the animal did not mean to do so. At that moment, the gorilla, which had not yet come close, seemed to indicate that it brought her there, seeking shelter from the elements. Gradually, Alice began to let go of her fear and was no longer afraid of the gorilla. It sat at the cave entrance, occasionally